In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to generate image in Google Gemini. If you are trying to generate an image but the generation failed or you got stuck, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are doing it the right way. And for this, make sure that you change the tools here to create image. If you click on this, now you should see we have an image option to generate your images. You can also choose this option, create image here, to start generating your image. Then go ahead and enter your prompt before you can generate your image. And this will go ahead and generate your image without any issue. And as you can see, I have my image here generated. Once the image has been generated, you can now go ahead and download it. However, if you are following these steps, but the image can't be generated, then you need to go ahead and check if you are on a long thread. So if you were using a thread that you had previously used to generate charts, you need to go ahead and choose a new chart by clicking on this and click on new chart here and generate your image. But should the image be stuck while being generated and you can't see it being displayed or is not being completed, then you might want to go ahead and click on this menu again, and you should be able to see your images that you generated here. There is possible that while you got stuck on the home screen, your image has already been generated and it's just available for you to click on it and then download it. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead and clear your browser history by going to the menu here and then go ahead and choose history and manage history and choose the history that you want to delete and come back to your Gemini. If you had signed in, sign out and log in afresh and launch a new chart, and this should now fix your issue. So by following any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to image generation in Google Gemini. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.